Hi, my name is Celeste. Welcome to Alternative Movement. Today, I will be taking you through the last one of a series of short meditations where we explore the 5 Yamas, powerful ethical principles from yoga that help guide us towards a more peaceful, balanced, and intentional life. Each meditation focuses on one Yama, giving you space to reflect, breathe, and bring these timeless teachings into your everyday life. Let's get started. Aparigraha is the practice of non-attachment or non-hoarding. It encourages us to let go of our need to cling to possessions, people, or outcomes. This Yama teaches us that true freedom comes from releasing our grasp on things and trusting that we have enough. Aparigraha invites us to live with simplicity, contentment, and trust in the flow of life. As always, take a few moments to create a space where you can fully relax. Reduce as much as possible the amount of distractions around you for the next couple of minutes. You can pause the recording to do so, should you need to. Begin by finding a comfortable seated position. Once you're there, take a soft inhale through the nose, allowing your spine to grow tall, and as you exhale, gently close your eyes. If you prefer to keep your eyes open, try to rest your gaze on a point on the floor or somewhere in front of you. As you continue to breathe softly and mindfully, allow every exhale to be an opportunity to relax any unnecessary tension around your body. Soften the space between your eyebrows, unclench your jaw, let your tongue rest behind your teeth. Allow your arms to rest on your lap or on your knees and settle into the rhythm of your breath, noticing its natural rise and fall. Attachment creates unnecessary limitations and fuels inner turmoil. By practicing Aparigraha, we learn to let go, fostering a sense of freedom and peace. Take a moment to reflect on what you might be holding onto in your life. It could be material things, relationships, or the need for control. Without judgment, simply notice where attachment shows up in your life. With each breath, invite awareness to the places where you're clinging. The answer to this might appear in the shape of images, you might hear words, or maybe you recognize the answer as just thoughts. As you breathe, imagine releasing your grip on those attachments. With each inhale, silently repeat, I am free. With each exhale, release the need to cling. Inhale, I am free. Exhale, I let go. Perceive if you can feel a sense of lightness and ease as you allow the practice of non-attachment to soften your heart and mind. Inhale, I am free. Exhale, I let go. Aparigraha teaches us that we already have everything we need. There is no need to hold on tightly to possessions or outcomes. With your next breath, silently repeat, I trust in the abundance of life. Inhale, I trust. Exhale, I release. Feel the peace that comes from trusting in the flow of life, knowing that everything you need will come in due time. Inhale, I trust. Exhale, I release. As we close this meditation, take a moment to reflect on how you can practice non-attachment in your life. Where can you let go? How can you trust more in the natural flow of life? When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. As the day goes by, carry with you the intention of non-attachment and trust. Remember that you can journal, if that is part of your practice, about any ideas that came up for you about today's theme. This was the last meditation on the series about the Yamas. I hope you have enjoyed them and hopefully found them helpful. Next, we will discuss the Yamas. May your hearts be filled with kindness, may your actions be guided by compassion, and may you live in harmony with all beings. Thank you for your support.